What's going on, guys? I'm here in front of the Lemonade's house, and basically we're waiting on Zimbabwe. This is my mama house. So basically, where's the sun at? I don't want too much exposure. But basically we're waiting on Zimbabwe. He said he got something nice. He said he got a new car or whatever. So we're gonna go check him out and see what car he's talking about. I just woke up, dude. I'm gonna speak closer to my camera because I don't want her to hear me. But what is my neighbor cutting? Ain't no grass in that hole, nigga. Yo, she ain't got no grass. What is she cutting? Oh, nah, that can't be him. Oh, oh. This nigga's so stupid. Bruh. Hey, for real, bro?
What's up, man?
For real, Zim?
You feel me? We back in the Honda game, baby.
Hey, you gotta go this way, nigga. You too dark. It look like an eclipse. You feel me? It look like an eclipse. There you go.
We back in the Honda game.
Hey.
Hey, am I lighter? Am I lighter?
Yeah, you look good right there.
So,
you look good right there.
I don't know if y'all remember.
Nigga, I know you hot, nigga. It's hella sunny. You got a hoodie on.
But I don't know if y'all niggas remember, I had the black BMW, the sedan with the Koses. But you know, it's time for a change.
Time for a change, nigga, like Obama, nigga. This is it?
Yeah.
This is it right here, bro?
Wait till you guys see the price. $400, clean title.
Yo, hold on, what?
$400.
Damn, bro. Is it clean?
Clean title.
No, okay, no badge, okay.
So let's pop the hood too.
Okay.
Wait. Viper alarm, nigga. What you mean? $400.
That's for all the niggas in the hood, you feel me? Damn, K-Swap. Shit.
This is a little Y8.
Damn, my boy got a K-Swap. Damn. Alright, so what year is this? Like a 99? Hey, that's how you know his alarm work, bruh. Nigga got in his car, bruh.
Like I said, $400.
So as soon as a black man got in his car, nigga, the alarm went off. Nigga, that's how you know that shit work.
Original Honda.
Alright.
Honda.
Hey, let me get this shit from my car, bro.
Hell nah, nigga, what you mean? Nigga, look, nigga.
Hold on, is that an intake
throttle body gasket, nigga?
Yeah, it is. Oh shit, I said intake manifold gasket. Nigga, I'm stupid. I meant throttle body gasket.
And nigga, original owner's manual.
Okay.
Dog.
Who was the owner?
I don't know. Like,
nigga, this shit stolen? What you mean you don't know?
Nah, well, I know, but it's a crazy story, dog.
Oh, bro, these seats are fucking... Bro, these seats ain't never got nut on them, bro. Bro, I mean, this nigga rubbed off his elbow a little bit too hard on the armrest, but... I mean, that's like fixable and shit, but...
This, because I talked to him on the phone last night. The story is, I got it from some Asian guy.
Okay. And
what happened was...
Bro, this shit is fucked up.
He daily drove it.
Okay. And
he parked it outside and somebody broke into it and yanked the stereo out. So this is the only flaw, but there ain't nothing the new climate control can't fix. It's already wired for a deck, everything.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
So we're straight. It had beat in it too, but he yanked it out. And it was some Asian dude. And don't give us backlash, but I'm gonna do an impression of him. He was like, yeah, $400, take it. You just take it. And signed over the title. $400, bro. I was like, hey, shit, all right, nigga. And just cashed him out $400 and I left. High mileage, but 280K ain't never hurt nobody.
Come on, bro. 280K, that's how you know this shit is fucking strong, bro.
Exactly.
We're at 280K, fuck that.
And we swapping this bitch anyway.
Facts.
So
look.
You wanna go, where you wanna go?
So this is the thing, guys. So we're gonna go find a smog shop, first thing first. And I mean, after that, you know what I mean? We'll get to the car and whatnot. So I'll see you guys in the smog shop. Peace out. Alright, y'all, so we just got here to the smog shop. You're not even that low, bro.
Nah, I just didn't want to gas it up.
Oh, I was gonna say, this dude over here trying to go sideways and shit. But we just got here to Smog Champs in Sacramento. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. I just froze up, bro. I didn't even know what to say. Let's hope she passes or he passes. Nigga, you got a name for this car, bro?
Bro, Zimbabwe Junior.
Zimbabwe?
What kind of question was that? I'm gonna leave it running.
Alright, yeah, just leave it running. Yo, I know you looking at this right now, bro. I know. I know you're looking at the watermelon, bro. I know you're looking at the watermelon all, you know what I'm saying?
So, little baby.
I'm in Zimbabwe here. Hopefully this works out. They got an in-ground, not in-home, in-ground dyno. So, you know what I'm saying? We'll just hope for the best, and hopefully it smogs right and we can register it. This is gonna be his project. I'm really, man, I feel good, you know what I'm saying? Just to be a part of this project, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, watch out, you the back of the car.
Oh shit, oh shit. So I feel great just to be a part of this project, you know what I'm saying? I hope everything turns out good. And we got big plans for 2020 or the end of the year, Andre?
So what?
We got big plans for 2020 for the car, or the end of the year.
All
right?
niggas in here.
Ooh,
Hey, Caleb. Next year, baby.
Nigga like a target.
Caleb, coming for you next year, baby.
Oh, next year, baby. Blue face. Yeah, alright. Damn.
You see how you lost to that Viper? I ain't gonna get boost cut though.
Oh, he said you lost to the Viper.
Nah. Real shit, it's all love. You would have took it if you was
Nah. He
Caleb
would
would
have
have
Nah. Oh shit. Midori truck, bro. Midori truck.
So this is another car reveal. One thing he didn't know why I brought him to the shop. This is my car. This is getting.
Hey, you know they got tall guy reviews.
Exactly.
You should be dark skin reviews, nigga.
Bro,
Like,
they don't follow my personal Instagram. Black ass Andre. You feel me? Nigga, you laugh. Hold on. Let me get the Instagram out, bro. Black ass Andre, bitch. That's it. You feel me? Oh, nigga.
oh shit. Oh shit. With the waggy? JDM waggy? Yo, so check this gem out, yo. This motherfucker is clean. Like, bro, this is a Wonder Civic if y'all don't know, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Tell me it's manual. Bro, it's manual. It was a granny, she was like 50 some. She was like 50 some. Oh shit, it's an SI? Dog, this granny got an SI, bro. Alright y'all, so we just passed the missions. And we're just waiting on one more, and hopefully we pass this shit, you know what I'm saying? We can get home and then do what it do, you feel me? Look, bro, it passed. Hey, go get your shit. It passed, and we're ready to go, guys. You know what I'm saying? I just, man, I'm happy for this nigga. He got a new car, he got a new project, and it's another one of those where it's like, man, I just, you feel me? I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm just blabbering now for some minutes, but yo, what you know about the black tee from Shop Smart, bruh? Man, the fucking exposure sucks, bro. I need a hood lens, or lens hood, or whatever the fuck it's from, nigga, but. Feel me? What y'all know about the black tee from Shop Smart? You know what I'm talking about? That fresh black tee from Shop Smart. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all better chill, you know what I'm talking about? Damn. Another JDM wet. God damn, bro. Sacramento is JDM town, you feel me? What y'all know about this, bro? Whew, I'm tired. Yeah, we letting it cool off a little bit, boss. So, you know what I mean? So, I don't know what we're gonna do right now, but we'll see. Hold on, bro. Hey. So we're talking about this female, right? We're talking about this female, Andre. You feel me? He fuck with it. I mean, you know what I mean? Like she's cool. You know what I'm saying? So he trying to holler or whatever. So we're talking about like, what if she got a nigga? And
yo,
tell her what you said, bro.
All right, so
look,
I don't want to slide in her DMs, right?
Okay, why?
It's because like, what if a nigga DM me, bro, and like. What if he darker than me? Like, if he darker than me, like, dead ass, you laughing. If he darker than me, bro, I know that nigga can fight. Because he got roasted his whole life. So he got a lot of anger built up, bro.
Nigga got hella anger built up, bro. It's about to pop,
that
nigga.
Just gonna be throwing hands, bro.
He got nothing to lose, bro. He got nothing to lose.
That nigga probably wear black Air Forces, bro.
He got black Air Force, black Ferragamo belt, nigga. He got dreads, nigga. Hey, he got a beanie on. Yeah. That shit hella high, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Look like Pootieville, nigga. I bet you she do fuck with a dark skin though. She's white and she was big and she got skinny. White girls that went big and got skinny only fuck with dark skinned niggas, bro.
Man, like I'm telling you, that nigga got it. If he darker than me, bro, it's bad. Like,
why is that, bro? Like white bitches who got fat and then got skinny, they only fuck with dark skinned niggas.
That's a good question.
If you think about it, it's the truth though. Like, it's for real. Or like fat white bitches, they only fuck with dark skinned niggas.
That's true. And then them niggas be wearing them creased up Air Forces that be hella yellow and shit. Niggas finna be in the DMs or the comments trying to, bro. Nah, like, bro, them niggas Air Force. Hold on, bro.
Hold on, you got a picture?
We gonna go on Google.
Nigga, you talking about them, the shit, them homeless. Bruh, you know that nigga wear high tops, nigga. Black high top Air Forces, nigga.
Bro, niggas wear Air Forces like this, you know they don't give a fuck, bro.
Let me see.
You know when niggas got forces like this, they don't give a fuck about life.
Bro, them niggas is ancients, bruh. Hey.
Bro. God,
nigga, you know, bruh. Hey, for real though.
If you see a nigga with G's, you know they got hands, bro. Niggas be getting clowns, like, bro, just imagine they walk in class and they start roasting, right? And then you laugh like, boy, what you laughing at? And start getting on your shoes, bro. Like, that's how you know niggas got hands, bro. That nigga was just like, that, like, bro, niggas just be like, all right, I'm tired of this shit, bro. What's up? And them niggas just got hands, bro. Like, bro, did I tell you the story about how I almost got my ass beat by a crackhead with some forces like that?
What you mean?
Hey, all right, that's story time for another day, bro.
All right, that's story time for another day. But yo,
when niggas wear forces like that, they don't give a fuck, bro.
So
them niggas stealing from Dollar Tree, cuz. Get the fuck out this car,
bro. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here, bro. So, all right, y'all. So, I guess this is where we're gonna end the video. We're gonna do all the maintenance and all the bullshit the next day. It's gonna be a reveal video for Zimbabwe's whip. And yeah. So you got anything else to say?
Oh shit, we passed smog.
We passed smog. That's it?
Yeah.
You ain't trying to shout Megan out or not?
You gonna say her name?
Oh, my bad. Yo. It could have been like Megan Fox or something, you know what I mean? They don't know.
That's true.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So peace. Smeeze and Axel Grease. You feel me?